Formation of acid rain for sulfur oxides mostly occurs in Europe. It affects our clean water. It is important to balance chemical equations so it follows the law of the conservation of mass. This happens when sulfur and nitrogen oxides are released into the air and mix with other chemicals. Equation 1. There is 1 sulfur on each side, and 3 oxygen on each side. There are also 2 hydrogen on each side. This means the equation is already balanced. Equation 2. There is 1 hydrogen on each side and 1 nitrogen on each side. There is 3 oxygens on each side. This equation is already balanced. How to balance the equations. Write the equation out. Note. Find out how many elements are on each side. Look to see if the equation is already balanced. Balanced. Add coefficients if you need them. You can then continue to add coefficients when needed until you have a balanced equation.